English Practice Daily.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast where learning is tasty and fun. I'm Julia, and I'm super excited to talk about food today. I mean, who doesn't love food, right? We'll dive into breakfast, lunch, dinner, and everything in between. So let's kick things off with breakfast. Jason, what do you usually eat in the morning?
I usually have eggs, toast, and drink coffee. It's kind of like my go-to, you know?
That sounds solid. Eggs and toast are classic. I prefer tea in the morning and sometimes yogurt with fruit. It's refreshing, and you get that sweetness from the fruit.
Oh, that sounds healthy. Do you eat the same thing every day, or do you mix it up?
Not always. Sometimes I'll have toast with jam or honey if I'm feeling a bit adventurous. You know, it's like a flavor roller coaster. What about you?
Well, I love toast with peanut butter. It's like my weekend treat. You just slather it on, and it feels like a little reward.
Yes! That peanut butter toast is, oh my god, so good! Do you cook breakfast? Or do you grab something quick on your way out?
I cook when I have time. But if I'm in a rush, I usually get a croissant on the way to work. Those flaky pastries are just divine.
Croissants are delicious, but I try to eat something with protein in the morning. It helps keep me full and energized. Do you eat breakfast alone or with someone?
Usually alone. I kind of like the quiet mornings to gear up for the day, you know?
Me too! I listen to music while I eat. It sets the tone for my day. What kind of music do you dig in the morning?
I enjoy jazz or soft rock. It helps me wake up slowly and spread the good vibes. What about you?
Nice choice. I listen to podcasts sometimes, especially in English. It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal on breakfast.
Haha, good idea. Learning while eating fits our theme today perfectly. So after breakfast, what's next in your daily routine?
Well, I take a shower and get ready for work. It's like a reset switch before diving into the day. How about you?
Do you work from home or do you go to an office?
I go to an office. It's about 20 minutes by car. How about you?
I work at a bookstore and walk there since it's really close to my house. Like, I can't imagine starting my day without a stroll. Yeah.
Walking is great. Do you listen to anything while walking?
Yes, I either listen to music or just enjoy the quiet. It really helps me gather my thoughts for the day ahead.
Do you ever skip breakfast, though?
Rarely. If I skip, I feel, tired for the rest of the day. It's like starting a car without gasoline. Laughs.
Totally. Same here. Breakfast gives me the energy to keep buzzing through the morning. Do you drink juice in the morning?
Sometimes I have orange juice, but I'm mostly on the coffee game. You can't go wrong with that bean juice.
Oh, I like fresh juice too. Apple or carrot.
Carrot juice? Wow, that's interesting. How does it taste?
It's sweet and healthy. You should totally try it.
Maybe I will. Let's move to lunch. What do you think?
Yes, lunch is my favorite meal.
Really? Why is that?
Because I get to eat with friends and take a break from work. It's like recharging my social battery.
Oh, I love that. So, what do you usually eat for lunch?
It really depends. Sometimes I bring lunch from home, like a sandwich or a fresh salad.
That's smart. I usually go to a cafe near my bookstore. They have the best grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken sounds fantastic. Do you eat alone or with someone?
I eat with my coworker, Sarah. We chat about books and movies. It's like a mini escape.
Nice. I eat with my friend David, who loves chatting about football.
Oh wow, if the weather's nice, I eat in the park. It's like, a mini vacation during lunch hour.
Me too. Fresh air makes lunch so much better. Do you ever skip lunch?
Only when I'm super busy. But then, I get really hungry later. Like, a bear coming out of hibernation.
Same here. I can't focus without food. What time do you usually eat?
Around 1 o'clock. It's the perfect break.
I eat at 12:30. I like to get an early lunch, you know? Keeps the day flowing.
Do you cook lunch at home?
Sometimes I make pasta or rice with veggies. I love it.
Sounds healthy. I cook on the weekends. During the week, I'm too busy.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy chicken or chili noodles. It's like a flavor explosion.
I prefer mild flavors, but I enjoy curry sometimes.
Curry is great. Do you eat dessert after lunch?
Not usually, maybe a small cookie or some fruit. Just a little treat.
I sometimes have chocolate. Just a little piece, you know? Chocolate is always a good idea.
Absolutely. After lunch, it's back to work. What's your afternoon usually like?
Busy. I help customers find books.
That sounds rewarding. I answer emails and join meetings. Lots of talking.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, for sure. It's challenging but fun.
Me too. I love being around books. It's like, being in another world?
For sure. Do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
Yes, around 3 o'clock. It gives me energy for the rest of the day.
Same here. Coffee break is sacred. Do you ever take walks during work?
If I have time, yes. It helps me think and recharge.
I stretch or go outside for a few minutes. That's smart. A short break really makes a big difference.
So, lunch and work, definitely a big part of our day.
And a great way to practice English too. So after work, what do you usually do?
First, I say hello to my dog, Max. He's always excited when I get home.
That's sweet. I don't have a pet, but I love animals.
You should get a cat. They're quiet and love to sleep.
Maybe I will. My friend has a cat who sleeps all day.
After greeting Max, I take him for a walk in the park.
That's nice. Fresh air after a long day is the best.
Do you go outside after work?
Sometimes. I play guitar or listen to music.
You play guitar? That's cool.
I try. I'm not a rock star, but I really enjoy it.
Music is a great way to relax. I usually read in the evening.
Of course. Books are your world. What kind of books do you like?
Mystery and fantasy. What about you?
I like biographies and history. Real-life stories inspire me.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes. I enjoy cooking shows and documentaries.
I watch comedies. They help me laugh after a busy day.
Do you cook dinner or order food?
I cook grilled chicken and vegetables. It's like my power meal.
I cook pasta with tomato sauce. Super simple and tasty.
Do you eat dinner alone?
Usually with Max watching me. He always wants a bite.
Pets always want our food. So what time do you eat dinner?
Around 7 o'clock.
Same here. It's a good time to relax.
Do you eat dessert after dinner?
Sometimes. A little chocolate or fruit.
I love fruit, especially mango and strawberries.
So, after dinner, it's time to wind down.
Yes. I read or call my family.
I play guitar or watch a movie.
Let's talk grammar for a minute.
Sure. We've used the simple present a lot today for routines and habits.
And don't forget the S for he, she, it. Those little details matter.
It's easy when you hear it in real conversation.
Exactly. That's why food is a great topic to learn English.
What do you usually do after dinner?
I play guitar or watch a movie.
That sounds relaxing. I like to read or call my family.
Do you talk to them every day?
Not every day. I call my parents on weekends.
That's nice. I talk to my brother once a week.
Do you watch TV shows or movies?
Mostly movies. I love documentaries and comedies.
I watch romantic comedies. They always make me smile.
Do you ever watch cooking shows?
Yes. I learn new recipes and try them out.
I tried making sushi once. It was a disaster.
Sushi is hard. I stick to grilled chicken and pasta.
Do you eat dinner late?
No. Around 7 o'clock. I go to bed early.
I eat at 8 o'clock and sleep around midnight.
So, you're a night owl, and I'm a morning bird.
Exactly. I enjoy the quiet of the night.
I love the freshness of the morning.
What time do you wake up?
Around 6 o'clock. I drink tea and stretch a little.
I wake up at 8 o'clock. First thing. Coffee.
Do you sleep well?
Usually. I read before bed.
Me too. A good book is the best bedtime routine.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
I try not to.
Same here. I put it away and play soft music.
Do you dream often?
Sometimes. Dreams about traveling or playing music?
I dream about flying or being in magical places.
That's beautiful. Dreams are like stories waiting to unfold.
Yes, and sleep is so important for learning.
Speaking of learning, let's ask our listeners something.
Yeah, we want to hear about their routines.
Do you wake up early or late?
Do you drink tea or coffee?
Do you cook dinner or order food?
Do you read or watch TV at night?
Leave a comment and tell us one thing about your day.
We love reading your comments.
Thanks for joining us today. We learned English through food and conversation.
Don't forget to subscribe and tell us one thing about your daily routine.
Whether you eat toast or grilled chicken, your story matters.
See you next time, and keep learning English one bite at a time.